Imagine plugging a device into your network and knowing instantly if it's allowed or not. With port security, you get that peace of mind. Only trusted devices can connect. It's a simple way to protect your business and home network from unwanted access and keep everything running smoothly. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to set up port security on a Catalyst 1300 switch using the Graphical User Interface GUI next. Port security is a feature that helps you control which devices can connect to your network by checking their MAC addresses. This adds an important layer of protection, making sure only trusted devices can access your network through each port. On the Catalyst 1300 switch, you'll find several port security modes. The first is lock mode. It sets the switch so it will learn the MAC address of a device plugged into a port and locks that address in place. No new addresses can be learned on that port. This is perfect for ports used by dedicated devices like servers or workstations. Select Max Addresses mode to set a limit on the number of devices that can connect to a port. Once the limit is reached, the switch will not learn any new addresses. It can still age out and relearn existing ones though. Secure Permanent mode ensures that once the configuration is saved, learned MAC addresses stay saved and secure, even after a reboot. The last option is Secure Delete on reset. This setting deletes any learned MAC addresses if the switch is restarted. New devices will be learned after a reset. Log into the GUI of your Catalyst 1300 switch. Navigate to the VLAN management or security settings area and select the port you want to protect. Choose the port security mode for it. For lock mode, enable port security on the port, and the switch will lock in the first MAC address it learns. For MAC addresses, set the maximum number of allowed MAC addresses and save your settings. With Secure Permanent, enable the mode and make sure to save the configuration so the settings persist after a reboot. Select Secure Delete on reset if you want to clear MAC addresses after a restart. After applying your settings, the switch will enforce your chosen security mode. For example, if you selected lock mode, and a new unauthorized device tries to connect to that port, the switch will block it. To check the status of your settings and see which MAC addresses have been learned, look at the port security or MAC address table in the GUI. That's all there is to it. A simple way to set up and manage port security on your Catalyst 1300 switch, giving you control over who can connect to your network and helping keep your business or home safe from unwanted access. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.